Hey, it's Bruce. If you're watching this video, you want to get more ceramic coatings, plain and simple, we can 100% help you out with this. We do it for over 100 detailing shops over the United States, Canada, Australia, and the UK. Whether you're a $5,000, $10,000 detailing shop, all mobile, baby, trying to switch from standard detailing over to high ticket ceramic coatings, or maybe you have a $20,000, $30,000 shop with employees and you just want to double your revenue, right? We work with both of these guys every single day. The problems are very simple. There's really only two main ones: low lead quality and low lead volume. Low lead volume, really simple to fix. But if you try to fix that one only, you're going to give yourself the second problem, because all your leads you're going to get are going to be super low quality. They can't afford your services. They drive beater cars, whatever it may be. But with our system, we've taken care of it inside of my own detailing business and for all the guys below. We know what works inside of Facebook and inside of Meta to narrow down those leads to get only the highest quality leads, right? But this isn't really all about just leads. That's not all we do, right? We do make your ads, we do run your ads, but also we do the back end of it for you. So one of the most important pieces of this is sales. We give you a sales script that you use on every single phone call. I use it every day as well, and it closes jobs. It tells you exactly what to say, word for word. Now, you don't want to read it off, but you can if you want. It still works, as well as coaching you on your detailing business in general. So whether it be ceramic coatings, how to hire employees, what chemicals to use, what equipment to use, setting up tax stuff, whatever it may be, I'm there for you. I coach detailing businesses every day as well as run your ads. So it's kind of a combo of the two things that you need to scale your detailing business: work and then all the back end systems, because the systems break down before the work does. Getting more jobs is usually typically very simple, especially for me. I've been doing this for 7 years. I know it works, I know it doesn't work. The back end systems is what crashes after you get a lot of work, because you overload your system, you can't trust your employees, you go away for a weekend, everything breaks while you're gone, and that's what we also fix as well. Now, I do want to stress this isn't easy. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not drop shipping. This isn't crypto. This is a real physical business. You have real customers with real people that have real lives who are going to tell their real friends about you. You have real employees. So it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you're looking for something that's super simple, you're going to make $1 million in a month, this is not for you. This is going to take time. Our guarantee is in 3 to 6 months, you're going to be making $50,000. Still not a bad deal. But the thing about ours is it's concrete. It's a real business, a real asset. You can keep growing it. You can scale it. You can start a second location. You can sell it. So it's very, very real, tactile business, right? And the people we work with them for years. So I've got guys below. I've been having this business for 2 years. I've got guys below that I've been working with the entire 2 years. And that's how I like it. I want to create a relationship with the clients I have, because the longer we work together, the more money I make, the more money you make, right? It's a symbiotic relationship, right? Go check out some of those testimonials below. While you're looking down there, you'll see there's a form I want you to fill out. That's gonna give me some info about your business, your website, where you're at in your business today, what your goals are. I'm gonna reach out to you personally. I'm gonna give you a phone call, leave you a message if you don't answer. If you do answer, I'm gonna hop on a phone call and we'll book a strategy call for you. That's a 15-minute, 30-minute call with me. I'm gonna go over your business with you, go over what we can do for it, see if it'd be a good fit. If it is, we'll move forward. I'm excited to talk to you guys. Go ahead and fill out the form and let's talk.